Na tukitikana icio ciĩgiĩ cani atĩ thirikari yugĩte kĩharo kĩa ndege kĩa Jomo Kenyatta nĩ Kwararamia nĩguo kũgacĩrithia motungata. CS wa uthi nowe Davis Chirchir augĩte kĩharo kĩu kĩhotaga gũtũmĩkĩra andũ milioni 7.5 no kĩaramio rĩu nĩ gĩgũtũmĩkĩra andũ milioni 22. Thirikari yanyitanĩire na gĩkundi gĩa Sadara kĩrĩa kĩhetwo kandarathi ya mĩaka 20 kumagia mwaka wa 2025 nginyagia mwaka wa 2045. Gĩkundi gĩkĩ kĩrerĩka nĩ gĩkũheana kĩgĩna kĩrĩa gĩgũteithĩrĩria waki-inĩ ũyũ.
Yes, we believe this is a good project. We believe the return on investment will be able to meet the expectations and repayment to the lenders. There are minimal risks and so on and so forth. With a capacity of 7.5 million travelers per year, and we'll be seeing those numbers when we go through the presentation, that's our airport today. And while handling about 9 million, about 8.9 million clients today, there's already an overcapacity of 1.5 million. The facilities are old. The washrooms don't entail the kind of what is expected of us or what's expected of an international airport. You need a seamless service, high standard service, so that when you transit the international airports of the world today and you come to Nairobi, you need to see the same service, level service of customer service that you get in other airports across the world. And then therefore, with an overcapacity of 1.5 million, we are already very congested on an airport that is already run down. And therefore, we all are aware that we needed to have built a new airport a while ago, and like I said, we tried, but it has not worked.